Hello everyone, welcome back to Challenge Corner. And today in this video, we are going to see like how we can resize an image in Canva. So suppose I am getting so many images to put in a particular website and I want those images to be of the same size. Now how I should resize those images? So first of all, here you can see on the screen, we will create a design and we will take the width and the height 100 by 100 or as specified or as required. Okay, so for example, if I'm taking an image of a square size, then I'm putting it here like 100 is the width and 100 is the height, and that would be fine for my size. That would be means able to get into my website. Okay, so just click create new design. Here you can see we will get these scaling as 100 by 100. So it's a square design as you can see on the screen. Okay, now I'm just taking few images. For example, I'm just getting it here, scrolling all these images that I have used. For example, if I have to take utensils, there are different utensils and I have to use these images for a website, utensil website or crockery website. Take I have downloaded all these images. You can also download it from internet, or if you have any images in your computer device, and you can simply click it here, upload file, and from the downloads you can download all these things and it will come here in the left section. Okay, now I am taking, for example, I am taking an image like this. Okay, so I have taken this image and I have removed the background, but here you can see BG remover and it is for Canva Premium. So if you are not having any Canva Premium subscription, then you can directly go to remove background here, this one. So remove.bg and upload your picture, and after that you can download it from there. So I have done the same. Okay, so I have also told this in my previous video, so I'm not telling or repeating it again here, so you can watch the previous video as well. Now you can see like I have taken the image and I want it to be in this particular size of square, so I'll resize this image. In Canva, if you just do this, the image will cut down like this. So you need to be specific like how much width and height you want to give to your image so that it would not cut. Okay, in this particular thing it is coming perfect square and still the spaces are there. So I'll increase the size like this, adjust it accordingly so that we can get a perfect square size images like this. Okay, so this is one way. Also, if you want to add the background, then you can just drag this particular image like this, and then you can select the particular color if you want same background in all of your images. Suppose I'm taking this yellow here and just doing it like this. Okay, now for the next one, we will just click here, add a page. Single blank page will come here and it is coming in yellow background because we have used it here. But if we want to duplicate the image and then uh, means insert the image, then here it is, then you have to delete this image first and then you can insert your next image here. Okay, so this is the these are two ways basically. So let me check for the next image. I am taking it again, like here are the utensil images. Okay, so we are taking one with background only. For example, if I am taking this particular image and this is also showing some crockery items and all, but just when I'm expanding it, it's getting, cropped from here. You can see here are the chairs, sofas like this, but when I just do it, it's getting cut from the left side also, from the right side also, so it's getting basically cropped. So this is not the real way. Basically we are resizing the images. Resizing means it should not cut down the length or the breadth of the image, right? But for example, let me delete this first. If still we want to do this, for example, this image is a perfect blend of a square and rectangle, because it's not a perfect rectangle, it's not a perfect square, it's looking like, yeah, it can adjust to our size if we will expand like this and like this. So whenever we are doing these things, some adjustments, then we need to take care like whatever images we are choosing should not be of a length that could not be adjusted basically. Okay, so this is the one thing. But if I'm taking this is a perfect rectangle type. So whenever I'm just expanding it, it will be expanded as much as like this. So this area will get removed from the images, but we need it in the form of square, then we need to expand it and we need to adjust it accordingly. For example, like this, and we could take the image like this. For example, if I'm taking this, so I'll expand it like this and adjust it. Okay, so this is also in the form of square, this is also in the form of square. You can see the images could be used if we want in the same size. Again, if I am taking some crockery items, for example like this. Okay, here again I have the background and want to remove the background. So I'll basically first download it from here so that it comes to my download section, and I'll go to remove bg. Then I'll click upload image, and recently here image 3, this is what I have downloaded, and it will remove the background from here. Like this you can see, and again you can download. Once downloaded, you can upload the file from here. Go to the download section like this. Okay, so it will come in the recent section like this. Now this time this image is without background, so I'll delete this particular image and I'll put it here. Okay, so if we want a different background, so we can change the background color here. As you can see, any background color which will suit our image in a perfect blend. For example, if I'm taking black, black is not looking so much good. For example, let's take this particular red or this blue. Which color is suiting the best? For example, I'm taking just for example, okay, this gradient color. Okay, then we will adjust it accordingly like this, so that the image would not cut and it would be counted in square portion only, and we want the image in a square. Okay, so we have taken this particular image which is having a particular base, so we could not expand it more so that the image would not look so fine if we will expand it like this, right? So it's getting this in the same size of square. Again, for example, I'm just adding a particular page, and we will take, for example, let's take this particular image. If you want another color, then you can change the background color as well. But here I don't think there would be a need for background color, because we are just resizing the image with background, and we will expand it like this. If we want to cut this header part like this, so we will expand from here like this, and we can expand it like this, and it's getting adjusted as per the square size. So here is how we can resize the images in Canva if we are having the basic version, that means the free version, not the upgraded ones. So let's once check what is different in the upgraded ones. So I have taken this particular one here. In this particular post, you can see I have made this post in the form of square. So let's check the custom size. It's 100 by 100. Let's check it like 100 by 200, or suppose I'm taking it like this only. Or I should take it like 500 by 200 in this particular size. Okay, so let's take it here, copy, and we can check the preview here once it's processed like this. Let's open it, and we can see like how the image got resized in particular format. Although this format is according to the size that we inserted, but basically we need to adjust each and every element if we want this in the particular size. So now you can see like this particular image is looking good. Okay, so we have turned this particular image to this particular size by resizing option. Okay, so I hope this video helped you a lot, and I would be making more videos on the designing skill, and you can see my previous videos. It can help you a lot in this particular thing, and I hope that it will be helpful to you, and waiting for your responses in comments. So bye bye.